Hi, this is MS04 cytocentrifuge system. This has got 6 place rotor. You can process 6 samples at a time. You can use complete range of body fluids, right, starting from hypercellular fluids like cerebrospinal fluid, clear urine, and the complete range like viscous fluids. You can do bronchial wash, sputum, bowel fluids, hemorrhagic fluids, synovial fluids, pericardial, peritoneal, any kind of body fluids you can run into machine. This will prepare a monolayer smear without losing the morphology of your cells. You can set the speed and timings. Speed range is 100 to 2200 rpm, and timings you can program from 1 to 99 minutes. You will lock the machine to prevent the aerosols, and you will press the start button to start the machine. It will go to the preset parameters and start the countdown timer. If you want to stop in between for the emergency, you can press the stop button. It will stop automatically. It will go to 0 and stop. Now comes the consumables into this machine. Okay, let me stop it first. Okay, this is done. You will press the open button. Okay, now how to load the samples. So this is the assembly. This is a clip, the funnel. You'll place a glass slide inside this clip, attach a filter card. This will absorb the excess body fluid. You'll attach the funnel and lock it. The assembly is ready to be loaded inside the machine. There's a cap, remove the cap. You will load the body fluid inside this chamber. This will travel vertically, then horizontally, and come out and get a flat smear on the slide on a 6 mm circular button. You have to just hang this assembly inside the rotor like this and load the body fluid. Close it with the cap to prevent the aerosols. Balance it on the opposite side with the similar assembly. Load it again and lock it and start the machine. Once the process is over, you will remove the assembly. See if there is any residual fluid. If there is any residual fluid, you will discard it. Open the assembly. Remove the funnel. Send it for washing. Remove the filter card. Discard it. Remove the slide. You will get a 6 mm circular cell button in a monolayer fashion without losing the morphology of your cell. You'll get the cell button here. It's easy to identify. You can save your microscopy time and you can improve your yield, improve the quality of your slides. This works good for samples from 50 microliter to 500 microliters. If you have got larger samples to run inside this machine, you can use these mega funnels. These mega funnels can have more sample volume up to 3 ml like urine and etc. This will make a bigger smear like this rectangular shape. You will get more number of cells in this mega funnels. Again, this has to be loaded like the one which we loaded earlier. Just hang it inside the machine like this, and to balance it on the opposite side, put a similar assembly, and this is done. If you want to run both kind of assemblies together, you can put it. Yes, you have to balance it. Just ensure that you are balancing on both the sides. Just balance it, lock it, and put it on the opposite side. This is ready. This is in a balance mode. So you can process complete range of body fluids. You will get a monolayer smear. You will save the morphology of cell, and you will get a better yield, of course. For different body fluids, there are different protocols, different permutation and combination of speed and timings. So that standard operating procedure will come with the machine. Like if there are hemorrhagic fluids, you need to lyse the RBCs with 0.5% acetic acid. If you have got viscous fluids like bronchial wash, sputum, bowel fluids, you need to use some mucolytic agent to liquefy the mucus like potassium hydroxide, NaOH, etc. If you have got turbid fluids, dilute them with normal saline. If you have got clear fluids, run them directly. If you have got gynae samples, pap smears, use the reagents readily available in the market. Just shake the spatula inside that and the cell suspension is ready. Just put that cell suspension into these mega funnels and this will do a good job for liquid based cytology also. So this is all about the MedSpin 4 with the 6-place rotor cytocentrifuge. The upgraded model is MedSpin 5 with the 12-place samples. That is just bigger in size, just all the parameters and protocols are same. So I hope you like this machine. Thank you so much.